Good morning, or good night, or good evening, whichever time that you're actually watching this. My name is Tariq Samuels, and just like you are, if you wanna be, I'm a customer of Island Shipper. So I just decided that I would make this video today, as appreciation, as a token of my gratitude, regarding to the service that I have been getting from Island Shipper, that in which I am well pleased with. Um, so I believe I started to use Island Ship. I believe 2 years or I believe it's 2 years ago. I believe it's 2 years now. Um, Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's about 2 years. And for the period I have been using Island Shipper, I have used other vendors. I've used Amazon, Zenny, a lot of other vendors, and I've shipped like stuff like cases, phone cases, glasses is and books and so on, because I read a lot of books. And for all the items that I have shipped, they have been received in great condition, in a timely manner, and the customer service and the communication that has been going on, the dialogue between me and the team at Island Shippers, they have provided wonderful customer service. They have provided wonderful update in the terms of payments and so on that I need to be made, that I need to be met. And they were able to take me through the process, and it was so easy, and I really appreciate what they're doing. So I'm making this video for you. If you have a shipping company and would like to change, I think Island Shipper is the one that you should choose. Or if you have not signed up for a shipping company and you're a bit skeptic, Island Shipper is the way to go. Island Shipper is where you get wonderful customer service and packages are delivered in a timely manner. You have a nice day and choose Island Shipper today.